So over here, you can see that I have access to a remote computer right here. And let's say what I want to do now is I want to leave something as a note to the remote desktop user, which they can access even after I close the session. So for that, I can go around over here onto actions, and then I can go and enable leave note. Once you do that, you can see that TeamViewer note actually opens up on their computer right here. So it is not on your computer, but it opens up in their computer. And here you can go ahead and, let's say, for example, type in some notes. For example, you can say something like, hello, I have checked your computer, everything is fine now, and you may continue to work as usual. So if I were to go ahead and type this in right here, just like this, then what happens is that you can see that usual right here, just like this. So what happens now is this note is actually saved out right here in their computer, and then if you were to go ahead and even close your session, it will still keep on showing on their computer. So let's say, for example, if I were to end the session, then they will still have the note displayed out on their computer. And that is how you can go ahead and leave out notes during your session inside of TeamViewer. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe